In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes in Google Vids. Google Vids has rapidly become a go-to solution for editing and enhancing videos, providing users with a suite of tools that can make any video project pop. One of the features that can add a lot to your videos is the ability to insert various shapes, which can be used for everything from highlighting key information to adding a creative flair. If you're looking to add shapes to your video in Google Vids, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get started. First off, you'll need to navigate to Google Vids. This platform is part of the Google Workspace, so it integrates seamlessly with other Google services you might already be using. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to sign in. Look for the Sign In button and click on it. You'll be directed to choose the Google account you want to use for Google Vids. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one you use for your video projects or the one associated with your workspace. After successfully signing in, you're now ready to dive into the creative part. Locate the video you want to work on. If you haven't uploaded it yet, now would be the time to do so. With your video open, you're going to focus on the right panel of the screen. This panel is your gateway to various editing tools and features, including the shapes feature we're focusing on today. To add a shape to your video, you'll see an icon that resembles basic geometric shapes. This is the shape icon, and clicking on it is your next step. It's usually found among other editing icons, so keep an eye out for it. Clicking on the shape icon will open up a world of shapes to choose from. Whether you're looking for circles, squares, arrows, or something a bit more abstract, you'll find it here. Take your time browsing through the shape options. Think about what you want to achieve with your video. Are you looking to highlight a specific area of the video, or maybe you want to add a decorative element? The choice of shape can significantly impact the viewer's focus and the overall look of your video. Once you've decided on the perfect shape, it's time to add it to your video. Click on your chosen shape, then you can move it to your desired location within the video frame. You'll find that you can also resize it, change its color, and even adjust its opacity, allowing you to customize the shape to fit perfectly with the aesthetic and message of your video. Adding shapes to your videos can serve a variety of purposes. You can use shapes to draw attention to key points, create a visual theme, or simply add a bit of fun and creativity to your projects. Remember, the best videos are those that engage the viewer both with content and visually, and adding shapes is a simple yet effective way to enhance the visual appeal of your video. To recap, you started by accessing Google Vids and signing in with your Google account. Once in, you headed to the video you're working on and navigated to the right panel where the shape icon lives. Browsing through the shapes brought you closer to finding the right visual element to add to your video. And finally, selecting and customizing your shape allowed you to personalize your video further, making it ready for your audience to enjoy. And that's how you add shapes to your videos in Google Vids. With this simple feature, you can elevate your video projects, making them more engaging and visually appealing. Don't hesitate to experiment with different shapes and their settings to see what works best for your video content. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks to get the most out of your Google Vids experience. Happy editing!